Jesus, you see, you have to look up words. Yes, God. Find God, you have to find Him in your heart.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
does God die in the New Testament?
You see, no. I was going to. I'm still going to.
Does God die in the New Testament?
I will answer his question.
Yeah, it's interesting because can God die? That's what they believe. Ask him how.
Compliment, but you see how they won't let you speak.
How can God die?
I haven't said it.
Maybe he can explain.
I didn't say any of this. The deceiver is at it again.
So God doesn't die.
Yet again, I come here in peace. But how can you be in peace with a deceiver? He's talking about a subject of.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
And he's making out I'm the bad one. You're the one who's come into a private conversation.
Private?
And you've
Speaker's
jumped in
corner.
with a question.
You're speaking to little children, and that becomes a private conversation.